how to make your own blackberry jam, or bramble jam as we also call it here in the UK, and I nearly got it for free. All I had to pay for was the sugar and lemon, which is around about £1. So what you're going to need is 500 grams of blackberries, and yes, if you look at the hedgerows you can find them. Then there's 500 grams of granulated sugar going in there, along with the juice of a lemon. And what you need to do is you just need to heat it up gently, and eventually all that juice from the blackberries will just come out. Doesn't that look pretty? It reminds me sort of like Christmas time with frost on berries. One of my favourite parts actually of jam making. But as you gently bring it to the boil, the sugar will dissolve and it will get thicker. And it's at this point as well, you can skim off any of the foam and just discard it. It doesn't really affect the taste, but I like to take it off. Around about 20 minutes later, it will get thicker and be ready. It's a bit hard sometimes because of the juice content of the fruit. It varies. I'm just adding in a little bit of vanilla extract there. You could even add in mixed spice, cinnamon, make a nice Christmassy type jam. Now, how do you test that it's actually ready? You can use a thermometer and make sure it's up to 105 degrees centigrade, or use a freezing cold plate, pop one in a freezer, pop a little bit of the mixture on, and you'll see I'm just pushing it away with a finger there. It goes thick and gloopy and does not run. That's your sign. Now you need to place it into properly sterilised jam jars. And you'll see here I'm using a jam funnel. That's because I'm messy, and it really does help you. Anyway, I will link all the details of the jars and the implements I've used in the bio. But you want to make sure that you don't fill it too high. Just leave a good gap at the top. And yes, my friend decided that she wanted some too, so she brought me a jam jar from home. So it's a good friendly thing to do, but once you start making this and people try it, it will be loved. One of the best things is lovely homemade bread. And if you want that recipe for my simple no-knead bread, then I'll link that at the top too. Plus all the other details I will put down in the bio, but I hope you enjoy these recipes.